Welcome back to Rachel Be the Healthy We. Today we're going to be making a Thai basil pesto. Here are the ingredients we'll be using. So this is a basil from my garden and it's Thai basil. Has a really wonderful flavor. Has almost a licorice taste or fennel taste to it in the background. Mine's getting ready to go to seed, so I went ahead and decided I was going to make some pesto with it to use it up. I use olive oil. I use hemp hearts instead of pine nuts. Not only is it cheaper, but quite frankly, you get a better amino acid profile from it as well. And then, of course, Parmesan, garlic, lemon juice, and salt and pepper. I will do my best to get a recipe as close as possible for you. And I use a food processor to do this. But to be honest with you, it always varies a little bit. Some people like a more nutty and some people like a more cheesy. Also depends on how wet you want to make it. So I'll give you the basic recipe and you have fun and play with it. So I'm basically going to put all my leaves into the food processor. I'm going to be adding in salt, pepper, lemon juice, some fresh garlic, some Parmesan cheese, some hemp hearts, and then I'm going to slowly add in oil until I get the consistency I'm looking for. Now, since that's rather loud, I'm going to go ahead and do that for you real quick without talking. I'm going to stop and taste it. I think I'm going to go in with some additional salt and pepper here. I also think I want a little bit more nuttiness, so I'm going to throw a little bit more of the hemp hearts in. Other than that, I feel a nice garlic flavor. Decent strength there, that fennel flavor, but I want it to be a little bit brighter, so I'm going to throw a little bit more lemon juice in as well. I'm pretty happy with the texture so far, so we'll see. I'm going to start up again, so I'll be quiet. Now that that's thoroughly mixed, one more taste. Perfect, exactly what I'm looking for. So as you can see here, nice liquid. If you want yours thinner, certainly add in more olive oil. If you like yours thicker, you can add a little bit less. All depends on what you're using it for. This is great for pesto chicken salad. If you don't want to use any pasta, I often will use it with chickpea or lentil pasta and make a wonderful pesto pasta. You also can use it on pizza. Make a nice fathead dough and make yourself a pesto chicken pizza. Whatever you do, it's delicious. You can also use regular basil, lemon basil, whatever type of basil you'd like. It can also be done with kale if you want to cut it. Just enjoy. It's really yummy, super fresh, and delicious, doesn't matter what season. Hope you give it a try, and thanks for watching.